Are there secret moons you missed in Super Mario Odyssey? Imagine exploring a vast and vibrant world filled with surprises around every corner. Super Mario Odyssey offers players a rich experience with numerous moons to collect, but some moons are hidden in ways that might make them easy to overlook. The game features a total of over 1,000 moons, with many being straightforward to find and others requiring a keen and some experimentation. Throughout the game, players encounter moons that are not part of the main story or obvious side quests. These secret moons often resided in hard-to-reach locations, behind environmental puzzles, or are unlocked through specific actions that are not immediately apparent. For example, in the Mushroom Kingdom, some moons are hidden behind paintings or inside objects that blend seamlessly into the scenery. In the Sand Kingdom, players might find moons tucked behind structures or inside secret caves accessible only after solving a puzzle. In the Metro Kingdom, certain moons are hidden in plain sight, such as behind billboards or inside buildings that requiring jumping through windows. The Luncheon Kingdom contains moons that are hidden behind lava flows or inside cooking pots, requiring players to manipulate the environment carefully. The Cloud Kingdom features moons that are revealed only after completing specific challenges or discovering hidden pathways. Additionally, some secret moons are tied to specific actions like capturing certain enemies, performing precise jumps, or using the capture mechanic to transform into objects or creatures to reach inaccessible areas. For example, capturing a bullet bill to fly over obstacles or transforming into a T-Rex to break through barriers can reveal moons that are otherwise hidden from view. It is also worth noting that some moons are unlocked through in-game secrets, such as finding hidden hints in the environment or completing optional tasks. These moons are not marked on the map and requiring players to explore thoroughly and pay close attention to their surroundings. In summary, yes, there are indeed secret moons in Super Mario Odyssey that players can miss if they do not explore every nook and cranny or experiment with the game mechanics. Many moons are hidden in clever locations or requiring specific actions, making exploration and curiosity key to uncovering all the secrets the game has to offer.